How to log out of Genshin Impact account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Genshin Impact application. Now once the game is open, at the bottom right corner you will see a little door icon. Tap on it. Now tap on OK. So now you are logged out of your account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question and want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.